That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Santon Plus Gold.
Ako si Morito na namamaga ang aking atay. Sa loob ng 2 linggo na paggamit ko ng Santon Plus Gold, nawala ang pamamaga sa aking atay. Maraming salamat sa Santon Plus Gold.
Santon Plus Gold. Mas pinalakas, pinagaling, pinahusay. Santon Plus Gold. Mabibili sa mga butika. Santon Plus Herbal Capsule.
Ako si Joseph. 5 years na akong Santon Plus Herbal Capsule user. Walang ibang gamot na nakapagpagaling sa aking cirrhosis of the liver, kundi Santon Plus Herbal Capsule lang. The best talaga.
Santon Plus Herbal Capsule. Mabibili sa mga butika.
Charm Fabric Conditioner with Bloom Fresh Technology. May antibacterial na at ka-bloom sa bango ang damit.
Charm Fab Gold. Bakit makabloom sa charm? Walang amoy kulong kahit sampay sa loob. Makabloom sa charm.
Charm Fabric Conditioner. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS.
Araw-araw, MX3 para MX-Traordinary. With alphabeta gamma na sangkap nito. Tunay, original at natural na suplemento. With MX3, so coffee and tea. With MX3, it's for you and me. With MX3, dito ako believe.
Ako si Jigo Manicad, broadcast journalist at news anchor. Sa MX3 Capsule, dito ako believe.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Be Extraordinary with MX3.
From the world stage to home, Jessica Sanchez is coming to Manila.
These beautiful things that I've got.
Catch her live on May 16 at the Araneta Coliseum for her much-awaited homecoming concert, together with her all-star special guests. Gary Valenciano, Regine Velasquez, Martin Rivera, Darren Espanto, Morissette, and James Reid. This is a night you shouldn't miss. Book your tickets now at ticketnet.com.ph. Jessica Sanchez, live in Manila, presented by Wilbros Live.
Catch Jessica Sanchez's much-awaited return to the Philippines at her homecoming concert happening on Saturday, May 16, 2026 at the Araneta Coliseum. Sharing the stage with Jessica Sanchez as her very special guests are Gary Valenciano, Regine Velasquez, Martin Rivera, Darren Espanto, Morissette, and James Reid. Get your tickets now at ticketnet.com.ph. Presented by Wilbros Live.